The other key would
It would
open
start
the door?
the car, and it was good, but I don't have it anymore.
But would that key also open the door?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. What's that? So why couldn't the other guy do it? I don't understand.
He said that it was messed up, that it wouldn't start the car, or that he couldn't make one that would start the car.
Did he cut a key that turned the ignition?
No, I don't think he said he could. He said he could.
All right, let me do it real quick. They already had someone out here that I guess couldn't make this key, but I'm not sure why not. We'll do the key blank. B106 G decode. Okay, we got no code. That means 531. All right, so maybe that's why the other guy couldn't do it, because this metal key didn't read right. I don't know, but I'll just pick it and get my own cuts. It'd be nice if I knew more of why the other guy couldn't do it, but then if I knew that, it might actually throw me off, because I may try to go off of something that he said. But his metal key definitely turned the ignition. It was hanging up a hair, so maybe we'll find out. There we go. Okay. All right. 5, 3, 2, 4. These numbers are not exactly easy to read, but how long I'm doing it for, I can tell already what they are. So we're going to do 3 question marks and then 5, 3, 2, 4. So we got 5, 3, 2, 4, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. We got 2 options. Now, because we got 2 options, I guess I can use his key to narrow it down. So we're gonna go 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3, 3, 1. To that first option. 1, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, 4, 3, 1. Find code. Code found. Let's cut it. Let's program it. cold. The machine is cold a little bit. All right, so I keep his key. Let's go program this one. I might have locked it. Sure did. Turns just fine. Let's get it programmed. There's not really a security light on. I don't know. Let's find out. I think it's a 2010 Malibu. I don't remember though. There should have been a security light somewhere inside. Oh, it's right there. But it's turning off. So someone just did the whole job for me? Yes, they did. Whatever they did.
Sweet.
They did. But my key definitely programmed in. So I'm done. Thank you. Thank you, whoever was there before me.